Here we are, day in the life of the imiev. Over here at Nissan, Nationwide Nissan, and their generous free level 3 charger. So, other than the regular mower that I schlep around, I was in Lutherville, a rather affluent, older suburb of Baltimore. And this was in some guy's front yard with a for sale sign, best offer. And I called the guy. He's saying how he just put a battery in last year and this year it didn't start and he's not mechanically inclined. But he had taken it and had it serviced at John Deere for $600 a couple years ago. Real nice guy, Wayne. It's leaking a little hydro fluid. It is a Briggs Vanguard 16 horse V, but it's a horizontal. And this tractor just reminds me so much of a 318 John Deere, except it's actually got bigger wheels. I think they're huge. They're freaking 16-inch wheels. Put them on my truck. So, you know, guy said got a new battery and it was clicking, got a solenoid and it didn't start. Anyway, pretty nice shape. So I offered him $200. I said, well, it's worth $200 to me, so I don't know if it runs or not. He goes, sold. He said, if you got any problems, I'll give you your money back. I said, well, I wouldn't expect that, but I appreciate it, thank you. Anyway, heavy duty. It's a 50-inch deck on a 48-inch trailer. Zero tolerance there, because I cut 3/4 inches off of it. Right there. That's stuck out. So from inside rail to inside rail, it really measures 49. We've got these pipes here for wires. And it was so tight that the head of this bolt was a problem. That hitting this pipe where it starts was a problem at the bottom of the deck, so I cut a little V out of it. But I wasn't able to raise the deck because it's hydraulically controlled. Anyway, it's the latest and the greatest. It's a great little tractor. It's a beast.